We ain't been to the Citadel in forever. And one thing we've learned, we gotta check every spot out. You never know, you never know. So let's look around. Don't see anything in the front counter. You do get 40% off the back wall. And apparently in the back wall, they got a ton of these. And by a ton, I mean for every freaking size. That's just crazy. And they got these down to $90, 40 off on top. What is the math? Oh my goodness, that's just way cheap. And this one, that one doesn't have that little metal hang tag. This one does. Damn, do I gotta get these? These are just way cheap. $90, 40% off on top. Just saw these on the corner of my eyes. I was like, they got Kobe's? No, these are some wrestling shoes, $150. But yeah, back to these. Do I gotta grab these? God dang it. 90, 9 times 6, that's what, $54. 54 bucks. Nah, that's just way too silver, dude. Nah, I'm gonna pass on these. I'm gonna have to pass on them.
They tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do something that could make sense. They hate when I keep dreaming I'll be famous, but I don't give a fuck.
It was more gray and had less silver, maybe. That's just, I don't really wear silver stuff like that. Yeah, I'm gonna pass. 50 something dollars. $54, definitely insane. I really do like this metal hang tag though. That is pretty dope. Yeah, but I'm gonna have to pass it. I'm gonna have to pass. I've been buying too much stuff. Got way too much stuff the past 2 days alone, so we're gonna pass. 54 bucks though. They have another one right here, size 10. 140 for the Jordan 2s. Tatum's going for 75. Remember, you do get an extra 40 off. I'm tired of doing math for you guys. 90 for these Zoom separates. Got all these dunks right here. These are going for 60. These are all 11s. We got a 10.5 as well. These are the same. 54 after the savings. $99, so $60 for these Air Max 1s. V2K runs right here going for 95, so under 60 bucks. This Zion right here marked for 60, so 40% off 60. I don't know, but that's freaking cheap. It's at $36. Got some Nike by You. I was like, what are these? What Nike by Yous are these? These are some golf right here. Oh shoot, some golf shoes with Renew. $60 for these. Moving on to some of the smaller sizes. $50 for the Calm Slides. Ooh, Invincible Run. 9.5 right here. $125. It's a pretty solid price. Those are going to get discontinued soon, so I have to get a pair of these before they all sell out. I think they're replacing them with, I think, what are they calling them? The Pegasus Plus, or the Pegasus Premiums, as well as the Vomero Premiums, I believe. But yeah, $90 for these dunks right here. Air Spans in a sus box right here. Nike SB box, $90, too much. Got a ton of those dunks. Got a bunch of these Air Max 1s in various sizes as well. These are definitely not Winflows. Got these dunks with the purple, go for 90. All kinds of LeBrons, 85. I see all these boxes. I was too tired to open them up, but yeah, do got these. I just grabbed one of these for my friend's kiddo. I think I paid the exact same price. Yeah. And I did forget to give you guys a reminder. They do have this spend and earn event where you spend $100, you get $25 a gift card, and then you get $150. If you spend $150, you get a $50 gift card. So you earn it by the 19th, and then you have to use it the 20th through the 2nd. So that gives you, what, a little under 2 weeks to use them. So that gives you a 10-day window where you have to use those. Look at this. They got a little heat wall right here, which I haven't seen in a long time. And to be honest, that's just a way of them trying to avoid giving a freaking 40% off for these Kobe's right here. That's what it is. These are size 9 right here. Got the what are these? The Kobe 9 Elites, right? The wrestling shoe. You could use these for wrestling if you need. But yeah, do got these bad boys right here. These are size 7. $250 for the Elites. $180 for these. I was like, I don't think that's right. It says $180. They have a $130 tab right there. And they got the Skylines right here. I'm surprised these are not 40% off. I don't know. They might be because it is a 9.7. You do get For the trainer ones right here, you do get another 48% off. This is the LeBron trainer right here. You just see the logo and then the KDs. In a baby blue, get 40 off of that. All right, let's go back to the back wall over here, the bigger sizes. We got the Pittsburgh Steelers colorway right here, 160. Really? Really? Even with the 40 off, that's still not great. Yeah, these 120 right here, that is definitely a really good price. They got these in so many sizes. Immortality 3s, 50 bucks. They just turned on the music. I was like, hey, where is the music? Thought it was kind of weird, but it is what it is. Smaller size right here, $90 for these dunks. Plenty of those dunks. So many different sizes. This is in the wrong spot, 10.5 right here, 90 bucks. Mids right here go for 90. You get 40 off of that. Got a bunch of LeBrons in a bunch of different colorways. 100 bucks for those. This section right here is usually 13 and above. And more of those dunks. More and more LeBrons. These are size 12 though. Starting to see some extended size pricing tags right there. And Ray, $50 for these. Pegasus 40s go for 70. Mids right here, $90. We got these in a size 11. Air Max DNs extended size price, $120. 40 for the Pegasus shields right here. $24 for those Pegasus. These are down to $40 as well. $24. 24 bucks for Zion 3s. That's a size 13. Pegasus React Trails, 50 bucks. Got crazy low prices in the Big Feet Gang section. Not great of a selection, but crazy prices. Zion's for $26 or $24. 24 bucks, kind of crazy. Got 4, 5, 6 different racks with 40% off. Might be a good time to buy stuff because winter's starting to wind down here. It's still cold, but starting to wind down. So maybe we can find some really good deals. Let's find out. Apparently not. $115 for the Tech Fleece right here. Got the matching. This is the newer one. $95. This is a small. $95.40 off. So was that 56 bucks? Knock the shirts right here if that's your thing. Go for what? $30? 30 bucks? Not bad. Especially with that 40% off on top. Got some sweats right here. They don't want you to get a deal on that one. Got some hoodies right here. $25? 25 bucks. Not bad for Niner fans right there. Just throw that on top of your jersey. $30 for these gray jackets. What a deal. Seems like with certain things you can find really good deals in winter apparel. Got some more jackets right here. Not Tech Fleece, but some light jackets, $60. Therma Fit. These are going for $40, which is pretty decent. Super lightweight though. Do got Tech Fleece right here, which in my opinion, Tech Fleece is kind of medium weight. $115 though. Two-tone Tech Fleece right here, $95. So these are largest too. So yeah, I got some decent deals on Tech Fleece, not too bad. And that's off of the newest release as well. I think I checked that rack already. Did I check this one? I don't think I checked this one. I don't think I checked the one that I just walked by either. But yeah, I do got $50 for this running dry fit shirt. Holy cow. Got a Suns hoodie right here. I'm still not, is that damaged or is that the way it's supposed to look? I think it's damaged, dude, right? Is that supposed to be all worn? I don't know. I'm not digging this, but they don't have a price, so not much to show you guys. I think that's all damaged, dude. What the hell? More Tech Fleece right here. The pants all going for retail with the 40 off. But if you can find a Tech Fleece jacket, they are pretty decently discounted. Got an LA shirt right here going for $30. All right, we're not seeing too many crazy things. Let's go see what's up with the aisles. Do got the Jordan 6 black Oreos, or white Oreos going for $140. Plenty of Team J's. And then right next to that, do got the budget signature KD 510s right here. Ja Morant's, we've seen a ton of Ja Morant's lately. We've seen them at the exact same price pretty much everywhere. $90 and $70 minus 40%. And look at that, we're starting to see extended size pricing on some of these. So $60, and then you get another 40% off on top. Holy cow. But only size 10 and above. Dang it, I'm looking for a size 7. I'm not seeing that here. Ooh, actually, wait. I need a size 9.5. I'm not paying $90 plus 40 off, especially with that discount right there. Dang it. These are marked down even more, $50 plus another 40 off. Holy cow. So what is that? 20. What is that? 30 bucks? $30 for Jaws. $30 Jaws right here, 10 and above. Holy crap. We're starting to see all kinds of extended size pricing. That's the lowest we've ever seen these. Holy cow. Also getting extended size love on these as well as these. $60 and you get 40 off. That is crazy. That's even lower. And then of course we got more of these. And then we got next gens. Checking to see if these are extended size price. Nope. Another one of these. Got some forces right here. We're getting more extended size action right here. $80. Another 30% off of those. The extended size pricing starting at size 10, which is kind of crazy. Blazers, some of the Immortality 3s. Got some Nijas right here. Starting at size 10, $50. You get that extra 40 off. Airspans right here. And apparently someone's not doing something correctly because it says 50 right here and then it says 70 right here. And that price can go down, but it can't go up. But yeah, 110, 70 for the legacies, the flight legacies. More Vomero 5s. We're gonna see more and more of these. Air Max 2013s. Got quite a few. Oh, these are 2017s. Got DNs. We've been seeing those. Air Max 1s. These are SEs. I don't know the difference. Premium aluminum foils right here. Then Vapor Max Plus, and then all kinds of 270s right here. These are on sale. And this is what I've been waiting for. Invincible Run Flyknit 3s, but we need to get it for cheaper than that. That is a good price though. This Infinity Run 4, not a bad price as well. And a slight discount on these. Upstairs is the women's and kids. And I have been looking for stuff for some girls, so looking for some 8.5s. These are 8.5, but these are a little bit too much. Colors wise, 130, 40 off, that's not too bad. $80 for Jordan 2 in the crystal mint. Jordan 1 low OGs right here, 130. Got some Dunks, black and white, 130. Size 9, 90 for these. Jordan 1 low OGs right here. These are size 11 though. Retail, they should get 40 off. Do got these retros, the shadow, satin shadows, is that what they're called now? Satin shadows right here. These retail, but at least you get 40 off. Oh wait, and these are marked down to 100, so that's a hell of a price. Size 8 right here, Jordan 2s. These are going for 75. Bigger sizes, it looks like. Size 11, 130. It's weird because East LA had these for hella cheap, and then here they want to charge 130. But like they were more generous here with the extended size pricing. It's just, I don't know. Every outlet, the pricing is just slightly different sometimes. Just kind of weird. Got 270s in the aisles, 120. Got Dunks. That's the Rose Whisper. This is the Wild Mango. The Olive Aura Sail Coconut Milk colorway. Glacier Blue Off Noir. White Black Team Red. This one has all kinds of glittery stuff on it. Okay. And then got Coconut Milk. Light Soft Pink colorway right here. All kinds of blazers. Oh, they got the Jordan 1. What is it? The Shadow Satin Shadow, whatever. 130 for these. They got up to size 12. Then they got Jordan 1, Jordan 1 low OGs. Got a couple of Forces. This is the Air Force 1 Wild. Got all whites. I got a couple more Forces right here, 85 and 75 respectively. Jordan 3 in the Desert Camo, go for 120. They got up to size 10 women's. All right, we're gonna go check out Adidas in a sec, but did want to show you guys what I got on feet. My rain shoes, Vapor Max Plus. I think these are the 2019 release. And then jeans and tech fleece. This is a recycled tech fleece. Revived tech fleece, I think they call it. I don't know. I did hear that Volcom and a few other skate companies, they're closing all their stores, so 30 to 50% off. So they're closing the store. I think Quicksilver was the other company. All right, we do have an Adidas 50% off store wide. They have a little buy more, save more event as well. Of course, we got to start on the back wall over here. Seeing a lot of gazelles. Except me, or most of the stuff the exact same stuff. Got campus and gazelles, which makes sense because when you come to the outlets, like that's all they've had lately. Gazelles and what's called, like they've had these crazy 8s, no 97s, crazy 97s. And yeah, they've been going for what, $50, so $100, 50% off. Smaller size though. Got campus 80s right here. These are going for, what these going for? What these going for? 75. Got gazelles right here. These are going for 85. Got the campuses right here. Campus 80s right here. Gazelles right here. Seeing a lot of the same stuff, like I said. NMDs. What these NMDs? Going for $90. Yeah, not seeing much, dude. Don't see many Ultra Boost. There is these forums right here. $60 to $30 for all white forums. Sambays right here. What the hell? $80 for these. I finally found some Ultra Boost. $150 though. Go for a little bit more than what we found in the past. This is the women's and kids right here. Seen some tiny Ultra Boost. Women's Ultra Boost size 5.5 women's. Yeah, they're still going for $100. Yeah, not much, dude, not much. $120 for those Ultra Boost after discounts. $95 for these after discounts. And a bunch of generics. I don't know if they're coming out with new stuff. I don't know. Adidas just has not been hitting, even generics over here. Finally got some Harden Volume 8s right here. Go for $80 after discount because the 9s are out now. So we're finally seeing Harden Volume 8s, $80. Been one of the more popular basketball shoe for Adidas. The Dames, I haven't seen anybody talk about the Dames lately. These are the Dame 9s right here. They're going for regular price, $120. These look mediocre as hell, dude. I'm not gonna lie, dude. I'm a bigger fan of these right here, the Mad Infinities. Bigger fan of these, $180, 50% off. I saw one of these, it was a size 11. Didn't fit me, but I saw one of these at Ross lately, which was pretty dope. That colorway's not bad. This is another one of the same but different, I guess. I don't know. But yeah, these are $130, 50 off. Those remind me of the Kobe 2s. I think that's why I like them. They totally remind me of the Kobe 2s. In the women's section, they have these Ultra Boost 5X. And last time they gave 50% off, but it's only 30 now. Got them in a couple different colorways. But yeah, all 190 or 180, 190, 30 off. Then in the women's, got a couple more Ultra Boosts, but that's it. That's it. Not the greatest selection, not the greatest prices either. Under Armour, it says they have their semi-annual event. Didn't they just have a semi-annual event right after Christmas? What the hell? Has it been going on for 3 months? What the hell? They do got Curry 11s, but get these at the Foot Locker outlet, you guys. So if you have one available, they're 30% off. It's $160, way cheaper at the Foot Locker outlet. 60% off. We had 70% off last month, but 60% off. Curry 10s right here at $140. So they're slightly discounted, and then you get another 60% off. Multiple colorways, different sizes. Size 10 right here. These are going for $140. And then got this last colorway right here. Got these in a few different sizes. 60% off, $140. Got some Phantom 1s right here. Wow. These are like 4 years old. $110 for those. Got more Currys way down here, the older ones. Curry 10s, $140 for these. $130 for these bad boys. Do got Project Rock BSRs down to $50 right here. And then the regular Project Rock 5. And I think they're out with the 6, right? Project Rock, oh, that's a BSR, but got the regular Project Rock right here down to $50 and $60. That's a hell of a price. Look at that. Look at that. That's definitely the cheapest price we've seen those. If y'all into, what is it, weight training and stuff like that, that's what the Project Rocks are for. All right, I think this video is getting long, so we're gonna wrap it up, fools. Make sure you subscribe. Make sure you guys like the video, do all that good stuff. Or hate the video, whatever.